The communication sector is going to be hot this week. So I have my favorite picks and I will save my absolute favorite until the end. All of these charts are similar in that they are bullish, but they're a little different with why they're bullish. And in general, the communication sector as a group is going to get a bid this week. So I am excited to trade these names. First up, we have Comcast. Now, I think that this is bittersweet because, or even hypocritical because Comcast is a communication sector. I personally don't like calling their customer service. The communication is not there. We all know that waiting song that drives us crazy. But as far as the stock looks, putting that aside, the stock looks promising. CMCSA found a very nice bid on the point of control down here. You could see and kind of just grooved through our volume profile. So that point of control takeover helped us have a little meet and greet with our 200-day moving average. And the fact that we're surpassing that means we technically should reach the upside of our volume profile and essentially break out of there. So our first target in CMCSA, and this is near dated, by the way, around 45, and then breaking that a little dating back, we're looking at about 46, 47 in Comcast. Make it back to me, Comcast. Make that 70-hour call wait back to me with this trade. Next up, I like AT&T. So AT&T, we made a bigger stride. Yes, it did bounce off the point of control. We have reached through this or persevered, I should say, through this obstacle course of our moving averages. Once you come from an area of support like your point of control and you have again that meet and greet, nice callback with your moving averages, once you break over those, it's a brand new trade. So this already happened. Congratulations for those of you that caught that area, but I'm seeing more of a breakthrough here. Essentially, this is almost like a bull flag, and we're breaking out of our value area on our chart here and reaching to more upside. I also like that we have the addition of our MACD right here, our MACD crossover, and we're moving up above the histogram. So when MACD crosses over that 0 on our histogram, that's very bullish as well. That's showing that the move isn't over here in AT&T. So again, I like Comcast, I like AT&T. I'll throw another bonus to you because why not? Before we get to our award winner, hey, it was the Oscars, so might as well get on the award theme. TMUS, I mean, this thing has honestly gone sideways forever. If you pull back on your volume profile, though, like if we go back in the charts, this thing just started to gain more value up here in the recent days, and that's just because of this consolidation. I like that we're holding support here on our point of control. So while the communication sector is getting a bid here, I think that will be the catalyst to finally help something like T-Mobile make a move and spread its wings and leave the nest finally from this honestly quarter-long consolidation that we had. But again, when you're holding support, the path to the least resistance is to the upside. So you're kind of protected by your moving averages, your point of control here, and you can almost look at a shorter dated call option now that we're getting that rotation here. But I promise you guys I'd save my best for last, and the reason is because of none other than Taylor Swift. I know if you are a Swiftie or not a Swiftie, I am going to plead the fifth on that. You can't short Taylor Swift, so you might as well go long on Taylor Swift. And that is where Disney comes in. Her Eras concert movie tour is hitting Disney Plus this week. So you're going to have that fundamental move here. You have Taylor backing it. You have the Swifties backing it. And I mean, you saw what happened to Travis Kelce when Taylor Swift entered the crowd and NFL. So if NFL can get some love with Taylor Swift, why can't Disney get some love with Taylor Swift? We'll expect that follow through here. On top of it, you do have some really nice volume building here at the top of the chart in Disney. Love how we're starting to kind of break out through this consolidation, right? We've been kind of consolidating, making new highs, and now expecting more of a breakout. What I want to focus on more is the weekly chart here on Disney, because while we're trying to break out here, you're seeing kind of a better pattern, and it's just this straight up bull flag here in our weekly chart on Disney. I went over more of this analysis if you're more of a words trader instead of a viewing trader. I have this in my free newsletter. It is going to be in the link below. You can sign up there. Again, it's free. We have free trades, free analysis, and you can get more of a deeper analysis on something like Disney and my targets here. And if you want to live trade this with us, we have a service that is a 7-day free trial. You can trade live with us during the last hour of the day, tradetoclose.com/join, and you can get that free trial. And we'll most likely be trading this thing since, again, hint, hint, it's one of my favorite picks into this hyping hot sector rotation that we're going to get in the communication sector. If you're a Swiftie, if you're going to watch the Eras Tour, or if you're trading Disney, Comcast, TNT, or T-Mobile, let me know in the comments below, and hope to see you trading with us at the end of the day.